Shenzhen HS Fiber Communication Equipment Company Limited was established in 2007, is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale, and service of OLT/ONU SFP module media converter. We are located in Shenzhen with convenient transportation access. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In recent years, our company has introduced a series of advanced equipment. In addition, we have obtained ISO 9001 CE CCC certificates. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China, our products are also exported to clients all over the world. We have a strong and professional team in communication technology and R&D who have been deeply plowing in the optical communication industry for years. From rich OEM and ODM cooperation experience with multinational corporations, powerful ability to provide whole network solutions. After operation for over a decade, HSGQ has successfully developed its international market. Our company received lots of high praise from South America, Europe, and Southeast Asia clients. Our products are widely used and appreciated by customers throughout the world and win excellent reputations. We promise to provide our customers with high-quality products and good services. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders, whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application. You can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements.